Election coming
Yeah.
up. Meron ka na bang
I have someone in my heart.
Oo.
But syempre, ang daming mga hindi pa ako tapos tapos na yung last debate and I saw it and that really strengthened my decision. But I'm still choosing. Dalawa, I'm down to two. I'm really choosing. But I want someone who will help our economy. I want someone with a great heart. And I want someone that will implement rules talaga and backed up by great organizations and great people. The Philippines deserve someone talaga na okay. Alam mo 'yon. Kailangan nating alam natin na yung Filipinos ngayon gusto nila ng something, ng drastic change,
Yeah.
'di ba? But we also deserve to be there at par with all these Asian countries, 'di ba, na in terms of parang yung ekonomiya natin, parang gano'n. Parang it's so hard it's so hard. I really do pray that hindi lang dahil kumbaga parang Filipinos will not decide because pagod na sila. But yun yung challenge sa atin sa pagod natin na to, di ba, dapat isipin pa rin natin talaga yung kinabukasan ng mga anak natin, kinabukasan ng mga bata. Sino yung talagang tao na magdadala sa atin sa napakagandang edukasyon, sa mataas na level ng pamumuhay, parang ganyan. Kasi I really strongly believe that education is very important. Because when I was young, di ba, na-deprive kami ng education because, di ba, ang hirap lang kami, parang gano'n, di ba? So, gusto kong dumating yung panahon na lahat ng Pilipino pantay-pantay, lahat ng Pilipino matalino, lahat ng Pilipino hindi na kinakailangan na alam mo yun, ng mamuhay ng takot, pero mamuhay tayo ng matalino na alam natin yung ikagaganda ng magandang gawain natin. May kusang loob tayo pa. So, I want someone na may balance ng lahat. Ito, saka ito.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.